In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Microsoft Teams group. If you've found yourself part of a Microsoft Teams group that you no longer need to be in, or perhaps you've decided to clean up your digital workspaces, this guide will help you through the process, ensuring a smooth exit without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. This step is essential, as you need access to the app to make any changes to your group memberships. Once you're logged in, locate the Teams icon, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. It's represented by a few figures and a letter T. This is where you'll see all the teams you are currently a member of. Now, skim through your list of teams to identify the one you wish to leave. Depending on how many groups you're a part of, this might take a little scrolling. Each team will have its own tile, usually showcasing a team name or an icon that your organization has chosen. If you're having trouble finding it, there's also a handy search feature at the top that you can use. Once you've identified the group, hover over it until you see three small dots appear, often referred to as the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu filled with actions and settings specific to that team. From this drop-down menu, you need to select the option that says Leave the Team. This is the crucial step where you decide to part ways with the group. A pop-up or a confirmation message will likely appear, as Microsoft Teams wants to make sure that you indeed wish to leave and aren't clicking around accidentally. In this pop-up, confirm your action by selecting Leave Again. Congratulations! You are no longer a member of that group. Leaving a group doesn't notify other members, so you won't have to worry about any accidental goodbyes. However, if you have files or information that you think might be lost or need to follow up on anything post-departure, it's always a good practice to download or save those items beforehand. Keep in mind, leaving a team is a one-way street. If you change your mind, you'll need to request access from the team owner or get added back by someone in the group. With just these simple steps, you've successfully removed yourself from a Microsoft Teams group, leaving you with a more organized, streamlined digital workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in managing your team's environment. Thanks for joining me, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.